Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and today in this video we are visiting at Candeur Landmark project, which is located on Varthur main road, Bangalore. So we are on the project location, and from here you can take the view of project. So friends, this is the view of project from main road. It's just in front of the highway. And here you can take the view of construction site. This project is sprawled over 8.50 acres of land and carries 5 number of towers with 23 number of floors each. It total comprises of 828 numbers of units and has 80% open space. The project offers 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK residential apartments. So now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK model flat, which is of 1685 square feet. So friends, this we have entered into the living room. And here you can see the dining area. Now we are moving towards the kitchen. So here comes the modular kitchen, very well furnished. And just next to the kitchen, this we have the utility area. And now we are moving towards the bedroom area, and here comes the spacious master bedroom with fantastic interior work. It's also having an attached balcony. Now moving next, this is the washroom with high quality fittings. Now here comes the second bedroom of this flat. Again, you can see the room is spacious. And now we are moving towards the third bedroom. So this is the view of third bedroom, which is also having an attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit inquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.